Good morning, everybody. Today is Monday, January 13th, 2025. Um, all right, so we're looking at Nas today, and I have a valid setup cooking for you guys. And I'm gonna tell you guys why. So if we go on the daily time frame, hold on one second. Go here, go to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame, as you can see right now, we are capitulating to the downside. We haven't broke structure to the downside yet, but I know for a fact today we are going short because of the candle's momentum. Now, if we go on the 4 hour, show you for a second. On the 4 hour time frame, we're bearish. We have a 4 hour fair value gap that we could tap into potentially up here. And we also have a bearish 4 hour order block that I didn't mark out, but it's this candle right here. Now if we go on a 1 hour time frame, 1 hour time frame, we just tapped into this bearish 1 hour fair value gap, and we're getting a retracement off of it, as you can see. Now, let me just mark out these 1 hour highs just in case, because there's definitely liquidity up there resting. On the 30-minute time frame, we're bearish. 15-minute time frame, we are also bearish. Let me just go show you guys. Oh, this is the 1 minute. My bad. 15-minute. Okay. Bearish as well. Right? Now, what I'm looking for, let me get out of full screen because that's too much. All right, yeah. So on the 5-minute time frame now, I marked out this bearish 5-minute fair value gap right here, as you can see. Now, currently the time is 9:21 a.m. A little bit before market opened up, but I'm anticipating some sells right now once we get displacement on the 1 minute time frame. So that's pretty much all we're waiting for right now, because everything is telling us to sell. 4 hours bearish, the 1 hour is bearish, tapped into the 1 hour fair value gap. The 30-minute we're bearish. Like this is a retracement. These are series are going up. We're rallying right now, but the overall time frame is bearish. 15-minute, this candle broke structure beneath these lows. So yeah, all we're waiting for right now is a 1 minute break of structure with displacement, and it looks like we are having it right now. On the 1 hour time frame too, I do want to target these lows down here. But I can't predict the markets. I'll take a 1 to 2. But yeah, I do want to see price come down here. And today actually too, we don't have any news. So that's another good thing. But yeah, let me go into the 1 minute time frame. See what we have. Wait for that break of structure. 1 minute lows are down here. So once we have a candle come beneath these lows, we should be golden to enter the trade. But yeah, so we have about 30 seconds until we close beneath these lows. If we close beneath these lows right here, I'm entering, because we already have a fair value gap. We already have displacement. You know what I mean? So let me just get ready. All right, guys, we broke. I'm in. This candle broke beneath the lows, and I put my stop loss just a little bit above the highs right here. And yeah, we definitely should see the price go to the downside. But yeah, so let me go type in the confluences for this trade. Give me 1 second, guys. Hold on. All right. So these are the confluences for entering the trade. The 4 hour is bearish. The 1 hour is bearish. We also tapped into the bearish 1 hour fair value gap. The 30-minute is also bearish. The 15-minute is bearish. The 5-minute, hold on 1 second. The 5-minute is bearish, and we also tapped into a 5-minute fair value gap, 5-minute bearish fair value gap, which is right here. as you can see. Um, we also took out these 5 minute highs right here with this candle, which is even cooler. And in the 1 minute time frame, which is the entry time frame, we broke structure here, right? We took out these lows. This candle closed beneath the lows. It didn't wick and come back up. So yeah, we broke structure to the downside and we displaced, leaving a fair value gap. So yeah, guys, we should be solidified. This is a solid trade. If we lose, we lose. If we win, we win. You know, we don't have any control of the markets. So yeah. So yeah, guys, I'm gonna pause the video and come back once we have some movement. Right now it's about to be 9:30, 9:29. Market is about to open a cut in 1 minute. So yeah, we'll see what happens. If we get stopped out due to the volatility that entered the market, we get stopped out. If not, we don't. So yeah, give me 1 second, guys. All right, guys. So we got a little bit more movement. Now, one thing I do want to point out to you guys is on the 5 minute time frame, I didn't even realize this too, but on the 5 minute time frame, we have another bearish fair value gap formed. As you can see, we have a 5 minute fair value gap here, and our original entry was outside of this 5 minute fair value gap. But we respected this 5 minute fair value gap, and we're pushing to the downside on the 1 minute with this candle, as you can see. Now one thing I'm gonna do too is once we get to about right here, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even, only because these are 15-minute lows, and I don't want. And even if we get taken out, even if these lows get swept, I don't want price to retrace and then we lose the trade, because like I said, I believe that liquidity sweeps move the market, and you never know. I want to just secure whatever. I'd rather not make anything than lose something, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, so as you can see, we displaced out of we're breaking to the downside outside of the second 5 minute fair value gap that we formed, which is a great sign that price wants to go lower. So yeah, just waiting for that to happen. And yeah, guys, like I said, these are my confluences to enter in the trade. The higher time frames were bearish. We respected a 1 hour fair value gap. We got our signature move on the 5 minute. Oh, we just took out those lows. So let me take my stop loss to break even. A little bit below. And we are rushing towards these 1 hour lows that I said that we would. So let me take this off. And yeah, so we should be solid for this trade. Little, I guess you could say that's little pre-market trade for you guys. Because it wasn't 9:30 that we took the trade. It was about like 9:20 something that we took the trade. So yeah, guys, just waiting to see us hit this green line down here. And that is our trade for today. And I really want to appreciate every single one of you. I don't even know why I didn't say this as soon as the video began. I want to thank every single one of you guys for showing support on the videos. The gold trade that I took, it's blowing up. It's getting a lot of comments, a lot of recognition, a lot of support from you guys. So I want to say thank you. And like I said, please, if you have any comments, any questions, do not hesitate to drop it in the comments. Because I read everything, I respond to everybody, I'm humble, and I just want to connect with people like you guys that want to trade too. So it really puts a smile on my face that you guys are tuning into the content that I'm creating. But yeah, enough yapping. We are really close to our 1 hour sweep, and I want to see it done relatively shortly. But yeah, guys, so these are the 15-minute lows that I said that I would put my stop loss at break even with, and we just took them out. So price can definitely retrace all the way back up here, and if it does that, then it does that. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not. Wait, was this a 1 to 2? No, it wasn't a 1 to 2. This is a 1 to. 1.1. But yeah, guys, so just waiting for our ultimate goal to get hit. And yeah. So I'm not going to have you guys wait. I'll pause the vid. Wait. I was about to say, I'm not going to have you guys wait. I'll pause the video and I'll edit it when we come back to see what the trade wants to do. So yeah, I'm going to do that, guys. I don't want to just have you guys sitting in silence. I'm going to pause the video now and then we'll see where we are at when we come back. All right, guys. So literally just got stopped at a break even and I'm not too upset. But what I didn't see, and this is exactly why I put my stop loss to break even. This is exactly why you want to secure your trades and secure your profits. We had another 15-minute liquidity sweep down here. That we swept. So we swept two areas of 15-minute liquidity, down here and down here. And as you can see, as soon as we tapped into this one on the 1 minute time frame, look at that candle. So this is exactly why I put my stop loss to break even around once price taps into a liquidity area, whether it's a low or a high, because I know for a fact that the markets can definitely take that liquidity and reverse. Because look at this 1 minute candle. This is not a news candle. This is off of a liquidity sweep. But yeah, guys, that's the only trade I'm taking for today. We were up about 800 on that trade. I'm not too mad because, you know, there's other days. I'm not going to take another trade today. I just hope that you guys got some value from this video. And yeah, these were, once again, our confluences for selling today. I'll show you guys again briefly. The 4-hour time frame. Let me lock this in because I don't want it to move. The 4-hour time frame, which we're on right now, it's bearish. We created a 4-hour bearish for value gap. And, you know, we broke to the downside off this candle, breaking beneath these lows. 1-hour time frame, bearish again. We created let me move this over. We created a 1-hour bearish fair value gap and we displaced, right, to the downside. Bearish on a 1 hour. On the 30-minute, bearish as well. I know that you guys see these up close candles and you're thinking that we're bullish. We are not bullish because we did not break structure to the downside. I mean, to the upside yet. 15-minute bearish on the 5-minute time frame. My original entry broke to the downside, created a 5-minute fair value gap, swept these 5-minute highs, and then on the 1 minute time frame, we respected the 5-minute fair value gap, displaced to the downside. And yeah, it looks like price might want to actually hit where we wanted to hit because we were targeting these 1 hour lows. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys have an amazing day today. Break even trade, made probably like $100 off this break even. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.